This 2024 Forest River Solera 2.4 DSRC is a Class C RV. It is located in Turlock, California, 95382 and is offered for sale by Best RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River and features Sleeps 5, Slideout. The floor plan layout of this Class C features Bunk Over Cab, U-shaped dinette. This 2024 Forest River Solera 2.4 DSRC is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.